I've just been sieving some old compost. It's what we took from a couple of containers only yesterday. But once we get all roots out and put it through a sieve, we've got perfectly good reusable compost. And we just need to add a little bit of fertiliser to that, and we can fill his next containers for free. And I've got some of these that's come empty as well, those little caravan wash bowls. Perfect for growing your shallow rooted crops, your salads, your onions, anything like that. Will grow perfectly fine in here. And a few different varieties of carrots as well, as long as they've not got really long tap roots. So we're going to sow some more seeds in some containers to grow on through summer. I have still got a bit of that lumpy waste stuff left. And I always line bottoms for these containers with that. Saves a bit of compost and helps with drainage. And then we can put as compost in and get a seed sown. And we don't have to fill them right to the top either. I always level compost out as I do it and tamp it down a little bit. Now I just need to find my seeds. And this is what I'm doing again. And they're those carrots that grow into round balls, about the size of a golf ball. So because they're not long tap roots, we can grow them in quite shallow containers. And it's just a case of broadcasting a few seeds over the top. I will be thinning these out, because carrot seeds are really difficult to space out correctly. You're always going to end up with more than you need. Which in some circumstances is alright, because in the event that some seeds don't germinate, you've got plenty that will. And just that one pinch were too many. I'm just going to lightly cover that by hand. Not going to get too fancy with it today. They'll come through because it's really fine compost now. Just as long as we've got all those seeds covered up, we're alright. So we'll pop a label in that, and that's another container of carrots set up. And we've just finished as last container of spinach as well. So we'll get some more of that on go. And I'd rather do it in a container at this time of year because it bolts when it gets too hot. So another level bed that we always do. And we'll get some spinach sown. I'm going to put quite a few on here because we're picking this for leaves, not big plants. And then again, lightly cover those seeds up, just so we can't see them anymore. A light water, a label, and that's the spinach done. And I'm just doing one more today. So I like to stagger all my sowings so everything doesn't come ready all at the same time. And I'm doing some more of those pickling onions because they've grown really well. And they're called Paris Silver Skin. But this time I'm going to put more seeds on than I did before. I want to get a really nice dense bunch of pickling onions growing in this container. That's quite a lot of seeds I put in there. And you might have seen them before, but that's how they grow. And we get nice little baby pickling onions from there. They didn't take long to grow, they were easy to grow, so why not do some more? And again, a very light sprinkling of compost. And that quick and easy. We've got 3 more containers of vegetables growing. Small amount of compost, a very small area, but we're going to get really good harvests. So for the sake of just a few minutes, we're continuously getting more things sown, and that's what we need to keep doing all the way through June, to get more and more seedlings by the end of June to grow on through summer months and right into autumn. So if you've got plenty of seeds left and you've got some containers, keep sowing those seeds and maximise that 2023 harvest. If you're interested in seeing what else we'll be sowing all the way through June, please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care. We've already took a few carrots out of there, and we got some a few inches long, but they weren't what I was expecting. I was expecting quite a lot more from that. So I'm just going to empty them, see what we get, and then I'll just re-sow a fresh batch. Let's just break this open now. We'll take a bunch out at a time.